Hey guys, welcome to yet another video in the TTL AI series. And in this video, we'll be going to talk about automation and Codex. So, automation in the OpenAI's Codex app allows you to run agentic tasks in the background on a scheduled cadence without manual triggering. So, instead of relying on active back and forth prompting, you can delegate recurring software engineering and administrative workflows directly to Codex. So there are different types of automation in Codex which we'll be going to see, and we'll be also setting up an automated workflow for the same. So the first type of automation is the standalone or project automation. So these start a fresh run on a defined schedule, often using standard cron syntax. So they are independent and can be set to scale across one or multiple repositories. Then we have the second type, which is the thread automations. These are recurring wake-up calls that hook directly into an existing conversation. So they basically preserve the historical context, allowing Codex to pick up ongoing tasks or continually poll a specific resource. So the standalone or project automations will fire up anytime as per the definitions, and the thread automations need to be fired up manually. So now let us see how we can configure the same. So once you are inside your Codex application, you can see this automations option right here. Simply click onto this and you will see you can run chats on a schedule or whenever you need them. So from here you can create your first ever automation. So here are some of the defined automations to test them out, like a daily brief, a weekly review, or a project monitor. To view the templates, you can click onto this view templates option, and from here you can find some of the automated templates like scan recent commits, draft weekly release notes, summarize yesterday's Git activity, summarize CI failures, and many more, as you can see right here. So apart from these, you can also create your own particular cron for them, so you can create it via chat using this option, or apart from that you can also choose this create manually option. If you are less technical and you don't know the exact technicalities that you will be putting into your automation, I'll suggest that you create it via chat. So now let's try to create any particular cron or automation with with a very practical real life example and not just related to development or core engineering. So let me click onto this create via chat, and it has automatically set up a template which says I want to set up an automation, briefly explain how automation works in Codex, then ask me a few questions to figure out what I'd like Codex to do and when it should run. So I'm simply gonna send this particular prompt or the predefined prompt to the Codex, and now you can see that it is taking its time and it has started explaining me what automation basically means in Codex, and it has also asked me these four questions which I am gonna answer so that it can set up my automation. So the first question is, what should Codex do each time it runs? So I'm gonna type in the first answer, that it should fetch the latest world news. Then it's the second answer, that is, when should it run? Once, later, daily, weekly, hourly, or on a specific days or times. So I'm going to type in every day at 9 a.m. Then the third part, should it continue in this conversation or run specifically against this workspace? So I'm going to choose continue in this conversation. Then the fourth option, should it notify you only when something changes or report every run? So I'm gonna choose only notify me. Okay, now I'm gonna simply send Codex the answer that I have prepared, and it says it will make a daily thread automations at 9 a.m. So you can see that this has been done and it has set up an active daily automation called Daily Word News to continue in this conversation every day at 9 a.m. and notify you with a concise latest word updates. So we can also run this particular one right now. So you can simply click onto this and you can see this is currently active and the next run is scheduled for tomorrow at 9:01 a.m. And if we want, we can also run it right now. So what I'm going to do is I can also see the automation or the backend as well, and from here you can see the automation in here. So you can see this is the one that we are looking for, and you can also run it now by clicking onto this run now button. So if I click onto this, you can see that the automation has successfully started, and it will chat in a bit when it will do so. So once here it says heartbeat thread is busy now, this means that it is currently running, as you can see right here, and you can see that it has generated a particular response, and it has given me a latest word news that Kuwait says it faced missile syndrome attacks. So you can see how useful this is, especially if you wish to run a cron. You can come again the next day at 9 a.m. or after that, and you will see the news right here within the same. So I think this is a very useful information and also a useful piece of tool that one can utilize, especially if they are dealing with a repeated particular work. Now, apart from that, if you go to the automations again, you can also do a variety of things like running it now. You can also edit this automation as if you wish to create any particular changes, or you can also pause it or delete it as well. So having said that, this was all for this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.